Hello and welcome to Beads Jar. My name's Billy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely knitted wire mesh bracelet with pearls and glass charm beads. So we're going to use our knitted wire mesh. We have our large hold glass charms, some pearl beads in a 12mm, leather ends, a trigger clasp and a 5mm jump ring, scissors, a pen, our side cutters, flat nose pliers and round nose pliers. I'm going to cut a 30cm length. It's quite a generous length, but it makes it easier if we need to cut any excess off as we're working. All you're going to do is open the tubing and first put one of the large pearl beads into it. So this tubing's quite fab and you can manipulate it in different ways. We're just going to move that along the wire. You're then going to roll the end and thread this through the large hole charm bead. And you're going to take that all the way down to the pearl. And we're just going to continue with this same method. Just slightly unroll that. If you are struggling, you can use a little pen just to open the end, which will make it easier to put the beads inside. So I'm just going to roll down and sit next to the larger beads, and then we just roll that over again to go through the next one. And as I say, we're just going to keep threading in this method. You can add as many as you need for the length required on your bracelet. It just slides nice and easily down to the bottom. It's really nice to work with the contrasting effects throughout the glass ones. If you get a little pull like that in the wire, we've got plenty to work with lengthwise, so just trim that off with your scissors. And keep going. Far from the end. Like I say, if you end up with the wire being a bit tricky, you've got plenty, so just trim that off there. And this is the last bead on this side. So that's all the beads threaded into the bracelet, and then we want to finish these ends off. If you want to, you can move them along a bit, just giving you more room to play. So I'm just gently gliding them along. And we're going to just tie a straightforward knot to finish this one. So we're just knotting the wire next to that bead. And I'm going to do the same on this one. So we have two ends knotted. and that keeps all the beads where you want them placed. Twist the wire tightly between your fingers as we're going to attach the fastening onto these ends. Just twist, twist, twist. And then roughly give yourself about 5 millimeters to work with, and then I'm just going to trim that off. And the same on that side. You want to use your flat-nosed pliers for this bit, and you're going to hold the end inside. Try and avoid covering this hole, as that's where our fastener is going to attach to, and then crush one side over with your pliers and then the opposite side over there, so you have a nice firm finish on that one. And then on the opposite side we do the same. So fold one side first, and then you want to take the other side over the top and just really make sure that's attached firmly. All we need to do then to finish that is attach our fastener. So you just want to push one side of your jump ring away and bring one towards you, and then you're going to hook that through the leather end and onto the trigger clasp. Just close that back together again. Really important that you make sure it's well connected and there's no gaps here, as this can jump out if so. And on the other side we're going to do the same. So push one side and one towards you, and then that's going to attach onto there, and we just want to close that bit together, and again make sure there's no gaps there. That will give you your finished knitted mesh bracelet. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again at our next tutorial. Goodbye.